Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez with creatingwithali.com, and I'm super excited as I am releasing a brand new card class, which is the Merriest Moments Card Class to go. Now, this is part of the Stamp Stack series that we have going on for 2021, and you're gonna be making 12 cards. If you're new to the Stamp Stacks, this is where we make 12 cards, so 3 of the different designs. And you, at the end of the whole series, if you took all the classes, you end up with 60 cards ready to go for the holidays. Now, all the classes or the cards in these classes have been really easy to make so that you can enjoy some crafting time as you get ready for the holidays without any stress. So let's just talk about this class and also talk about the different options that you have. So option 1 is for those of you who wants me to send or who wants to get all the materials to make the cards. So you get a make and take kit with all the materials to make 12 cards. Again, it's 3 of each of the different designs. You also get a pack of the Tidings of Christmas designer series paper, and you can see how gorgeous this is. You can mix and match. So one of the things I want to make sure you always know is that you can mix and match different patterns. You don't have to be using specifically the one that I use, and I think that's even it puts a little more fun in your crafting because you get different cards. So anyway, so that's that. You also get a pack of the gilded gems. And then of course you're going to be getting a full spool of the Evening Evergreen open with ribbon, which is the one that we use in all the cards. Now this option is $47 plus $8 shipping, so it ends up being $55. There is an option on the registration form where you can pick up at my house, so there is a code there, so just pay attention on that registration form, because that way you can save the $8 shipping, but you have to make sure you pick it up at my house. Okay. Now, for this class, you definitely need to have the Merriest Moments bundle, as you can see here. And what is really cool about this one is that the bundle has the stamp set. As you can see, it's a gorgeous one. You also get the folder, the embossing folder, and then you also get the die set, which is really great because you get both, or two sets, not two sets, I should say, two layers of dice, I guess I gotta say. So 2 sheets of dice, that's what I was trying to say. So definitely a great one, full pack of dice, and you can cut out all the images, plus you can cut out the edge and the details from the embossing folder, and so definitely a great one to have. Now this bundle is not included in the make and take kit, but I have an option for you to include the bundle in your packet. So if you want me to add the bundle, make sure you select that option as well. Alrighty, so option 1 is that. One thing I forgot to mention is that for you to register, you need to email me at ali@creatingwithali.com so that I can send you the registration form. I cannot just put it on the description by policy. However, I can send it on the email. So email me at ali@creatingwithali.com, or you can also be part of my mailing list at and you just go below. I put a link there so that you can sign up for my mails. That way you can get this one and any other of my registration forms for any of the classes that I ever release. And so the link says something like bit.ly/stay in contact with Ali. That way you get all my emails. So that's option 1. The option 2 is for those of you who already have everything. You have the paper, the embellishments, you're just ready to go. You just want to get the instructions. And I do offer the tutorial only version, and that one is already ready to go at my blog in my PDF store. So just go to creatingwithali.com/shop, and I put here in the corner the link to that tutorial so that you can go and purchase it. As soon as you purchase it, you get a link to download it, and also you'll get an email where you can download it as well, so in case something happens as you were purchasing it. Anyway, that option is $20, and like I said, it's already available to go on my store and on my PDF store at my blog at creatingwithali.com/shop. So anyway, so that's all for today. Hope you can join me whether you take the make and take packet or the tutorial. I'm sure you're gonna love making them. I just had so much fun designing it, and I think that you're gonna enjoy making them. All the cards are very easy and fun to make, and I know you're gonna enjoy some crafty time as you get ready for the holidays. So anyway, so thank you so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.